In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change your Snapchat sound on iPhone. If you follow these simple steps, you'll be able to change your Snapchat conversation notifications individually. First of all, go ahead and launch your Snapchat. And now tap on chat. And tap and hold the conversation you want to change sound or notification. And now tap on chat and notification settings. Tap on notification settings. Tap on notification sounds. And from this list, you can select any sound for the conversation. Just tap on the notification sound that you want to set for the conversation. And now, to use this feature, you have to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. To subscribe, go to your Snapchat homepage and tap on your profile. And here, tap on settings at the top right and tap on Snapchat Plus. Tap on subscribe. And here we can see the Snapchat Plus plans. Select any plan and tap on subscribe. And you have to enter your credit or debit card information to pay. Once you subscribe to Snapchat Plus, then you will be able to easily change your Snapchat chat notification sounds individually. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.